Welcome back to Fisher Farms, everybody. This is going to be part 3 of our videos. Hopefully today the time-lapse works on the camera. We got to start up the old bucket truck and we're going to get some more stringers on, hopefully some tin on today before we get a snowstorm. Is there something on my lens? I gotta get that off my lens. Yeah, it's inside the lens. That's nice. I don't know. But I gotta clean out a shed today and do all that, so I won't be here up a lot. My dad will be in the bucket truck. My uncle will be helping my dad. Another shout out to our neighbor for letting us borrow his bucket truck. Thank you. It's safer. Just nice of him. So let's get right into the video. I'll throw you guys on a time lapse, I think. Welcome back, everybody. Right now, we're just setting up the camera for part number 3. And this is a couple days after I recorded it. So, today we get another truss up. I think we'll have 4 in total done on this building. We got 1 more to go, and then we cut all the posts off nice and even. So right now, we're just getting a couple more stringers on the top of the building. And we take a bunch of 2x4 braces off, and we do it with the bucket truck still. It still hasn't snowed yet. There's my uncle driving the truck up here to help out. And we saw horses and stuff like that to cut all the stuff for him. I was going to clean out the calf shed. Didn't turn out that way. Went and looked at it there, never got to it. But we did get quite far in the building. So I'm going to throw you guys on some music, and hopefully you guys enjoy some music. So it's time finally, guys. It is time to put the truss up. I stopped the camera in a second here, and then we started to put the second truss up. And now we're at that point. We're going to use the skid steer, a ladder, and the bucket truck to get this thing up. I just pulled it over there, as you can see. See, we get one side all the way up, and then we get the other side halfway up. I hop in the skid steer, and my uncle gets in the bucket, and we lift it up. I don't know, yeah, we're all talking about what we're going to do at the moment. We get a rope around that, then we get her in the air. So give it a second, please, and thank you. We'll get this ball rolling here, and now the ball is rolling now. We have truss going up, and it is officially up there, upside down, and it's going to be put right side up right now. Moving the skid steer forward and doing all that, and it's just about all the way up. My uncle's holding it there, and my dad goes in the bucket truck and he screws it on there, and then we're just about done putting it up. But we gotta put stringers and stuff on it so it won't blow away in the wind. And well, it's taken me multiple days to do the voiceover too, so hopefully we're gonna be on. I'll have part 4 filmed, and part 5, sorry. Part 5 might be filmed sooner than later, I don't know. He's in the bucket. We took off the supports. 2x4s on there, took them off quick. Then we measured, made sure the truss was on there the right way so we don't have a weird shaped building. One thing we had to do with this was we had to put the stringers on top of the truss and not even with the truss is what we had to do there. Other than that, the truck barely fits in between there. And see, he's going to put the rest of the stuff up with the bucket truck. And I was able to do a couple things before it snowed, and it's really cold out now. It's like 0. This morning, I think we had a negative wind chill, actually. That'll be one of the first days we had a negative wind chill. And, well, the sun's starting to go down really fast. See, the yard light's been on for a while. I wonder how long it's been on. Just looking through the time lapse right now. I gotta check it every once in a while and make sure it's recording, otherwise it doesn't record all the time, and it'll just freeze when you press the button, so I check on it every once in a while. But we're just gonna finish up this shed. How much longer is this video gonna be? Because I cannot see when I'm doing the voiceover. I wonder how much longer it's going to be. Oh, we're just about done with the voiceover. So, hope you guys enjoyed the voiceover. And, well, continue to me at the end, which is about 10 seconds from now. The 7110's going inside, and hopefully we're going to get another episode made here soon for you guys. Remember to leave a like, and I kind of cut you off at the end, just a warning. For that, I do cut you off because the camera died, so enjoy. Well, we're done for the day. We never got any tin on. We got another truss up there, though. That'll be number 4 on the trusses. All the stringers are up there. Hopefully next weekend we can get, or maybe even this week. I don't know if we're going to get over here or not, but we got one more truss to go over here. That truck makes it so much easier to do stuff. That truck is like awesome. We couldn't get done what we got done today without the truck. It's very nice. Show you guys the generator, actually. I'll show you guys that real quick. It should be under here. It's an Onan. There's your generator, or pump, hydraulic pump that drives everything. So we got quite a ways today on the shed. It's going a lot quicker now that we got everything at the other end done. All we have to do is put a truss up, and then I don't know what kind of door we're gonna put here, but we're gonna put a door on, get some tin on this thing. That's gonna go quick, hopefully. We didn't order enough tin for the sides, but the main thing is to keep the snow off the equipment off the top of it.